Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As promised, we're going to continue on with this Moto 212 build. Check it out. We got our two boxes here. A couple days early. You know what? It's been a while. Let's do an unboxing. It's been quite a while since we've done an unboxing, so we might as well go for it. As you can tell, I ordered everything from GoPowersports.com. They seem to have the best deal and the quickest shipping and all that good stuff. And actually had stuff in stock, so that's good. Receipt. Oh, and a box of goodies. Looks like we got another CVT belt. I ordered a spare. Got a silencer and a bottle of break-in oil and a bottle of their 4-stroke oil. But I know that wasn't the box you guys wanted to see, so let's get the big boy up here. There's a little bit of weight to this one. It's a box inside a box. Buddy. We got our header pipe here with a new gasket. This is supposed to be center exit. May require a little bit of modifications, they said, to get this to work. Got our intake kit. The heck am I gonna get this out of here? We got our stage 1 racing engine all set up and ready to roll. I had them do the install of the carburetor, and there's a couple other components on here too that normally these engines right out of the box will give you 9 horsepower. When you have them do a little bit of work on it, stage 1 setup is supposed to give you an 11.5 to 12 horsepower. So it's a little bit of bump in power, and they sound meaner too, so. Well, I suppose we can get started on the build now. guys, we're down to the last few items. Amazon just showed up with the LED headlight. We're going to replace that incandescent bulb nonsense that's on there right now. These also have turn signals in them for future use. I may wire those up, so I figured I'd buy an all-in-one unit. Still waiting on a battery box. I got a pretty neat idea I saw on one of the mini bike Facebook pages. We'll be waiting on that box to get here too. The side panels can go on at any point. The front fender, that has to do with the headlight. But we made some huge progress today, and I've been out here for 9 hours now, so I'm toast. Messing around with this thing and getting things dialed in the way I wanted them, the way I envisioned them. So yeah, so far so good. I had to modify the fender back here a little bit, as you guys were seeing, because I wanted to have a center exit exhaust coming out right there with the silencer and everything. Wiring still isn't done. Like I said, the battery box has to be dealt with, and then I got to test and tuck all those wires in down there. But yeah, huge progress today. Put some air in the tires, rolled it around here in the garage for a little bit, and I think this thing is going to be really fun. I hear good things about these Tillotson motors. They seem to have more horsepower than the other motors of the same size, straight out of the box. Like I was saying, the 212s have 9 horsepower, and then you put a stage 1 on them and they're at 11.5, and then if you could do stage 2, they end up going above 14. So pretty powerful motor for something so tiny. But other than that, I think that's going to be it for today's episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And as always, you're going to want to stay tuned. We got some adventures with Abel coming up. We got a little bit of modifications to the trailer coming up. I'm going to take another one of these motorcycle chocks and I have to modify it so that it'll work for the mini bike. And then we're going to have 2 of them on the trailer there, so that's coming up. And what else can I tell you? That's probably it. So I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.